Welcome to our channel. Today we how to enable AppSheet to build admin and user roles step by step clearly. To enable AppSheet to build admin and user roles, start by signing in to your AppSheet account. Once logged in, navigate to the app you want to configure. On the left sidebar, select the Users tab. In the Users section, click on the Add User button. Enter the email address of the user you want to add. Next, specify their role from the available options. For admin roles, choose Admin from the drop-down menu. For standard users, select User from the same menu. After assigning roles, click on the Save button to confirm the changes. To manage access levels, return to the Users section. Click on the Roles tab to see the list of defined roles. Here, you can edit existing roles or create new ones. To create a new role, click the Add Role button. Name the new role and set its permissions based on your requirements. Once completed, click the Save button to store your changes. Next, navigate to the Security tab on the left sidebar. In the Security settings, review user permissions. Ensure that each role has the appropriate access to data and app features. Make any adjustments as necessary. After all settings are configured, return to the main app dashboard. Test the app functionalities by logging in as an admin and a standard user. Verify that each role has the correct access and permissions. Feel free to adjust roles and settings as your needs evolve. Congratulations, you have successfully enabled AppSheet to build admin and user roles. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.